Have you ever stopped to ponder the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of Japan's rich history? Imagine, if you will, a journey back in time to the birth of the land of the rising sun. The first settlers arrived here in the Jomon period, around 14,000 years ago. These hunter-gatherers crafted pottery decorated with cord markings, the earliest examples of their kind in the world. As the centuries rolled on, the Yayoi people emerged around 300 BC, bringing with them advanced techniques in rice cultivation and metallurgy. Their society was hierarchical, a foreshadowing of the feudal structure that would later define Japan. The Kofun period, starting in the 3rd century AD, saw the rise of powerful clan leaders and the formation of a central government. This period is named after the massive keyhole-shaped burial mounds, or kofun, that began to dot the landscape, silent testaments to the leaders of the time. Fast forward to the 8th century, the Nara period. This era witnessed the country's first permanent capital in Nara and the introduction of Buddhism, which would deeply influence Japanese culture and philosophy. Next, we reach the Heian period, a golden age of art, literature, and culture. Courtly life flourished, and the world's first novel, Murasaki Shikibu's The Tale of Genji, was penned during this era, an enduring testament to Japan's literary prowess. But beneath this refined surface, power was shifting. The samurai, Japan's warrior class, were gaining influence. The Kamakura period, beginning in the 12th century, marked the dawn of shogun rule and the samurai warrior culture. Hidden beneath the well-known samurai culture, however, were the ninja, covert agents and mercenaries who specialized in unconventional warfare. Their existence, often romanticized, was a dark and secret chapter in Japan's history. In the 16th century, Japan entered a period of civil war known as the Sengoku Period. This era of warring states ended with the unification of Japan under Tokugawa Ieyasu, ushering in the Tokugawa shogunate, a period of peace and isolation that lasted for over 200 years. The Meiji Restoration of the late 19th century marked the end of the shogunate and the beginning of modern Japan. The country rapidly industrialized and westernized, transforming from a feudal society into a global power. In summary, Japan's history is a rich, enigmatic tapestry, woven with the threads of revolution, culture, power dynamics, and dark mysteries. Each epoch, from the ancient Jomon dwellers to the contemporary era, has etched irreversible imprints on the nation's persona. Beneath the veneer of renowned incidents, we unearth veiled enigmas, the clandestine maneuverings of the ninja, the haunting sway of Buddhism, the genesis of world literature, and the chilling transition from a feudal society to a global powerhouse. These are but fragments of Japan's history, a thrilling odyssey shrouded in mystery and intrigue. So when you next gaze upon the land of the rising sun, be aware. There's always more than meets the eye. The sinister secrets of the past persistently mold Japan's present and future, whispering chilling tales of a rich, intricate, and often obscured history. So immerse yourself in this dark saga, let the eerie notes of haunting music guide you, and be lost in the shadows of the past.